Welcome back to Storiyum, the ultimate creative space where we merge classic storytelling with robust software engineering. Today we are breaking down a legendary local tale, Birju or Chudail ki Anokhi Dosti, and refactoring this unusual friendship into a masterclass on fault-tolerant system design and asynchronous state machines. In this comprehensive guide, we will analyze how Birju, representing a lightweight, predictable client-side edge device, manages to build a reliable, high-trust connection with the Chudail, an incredibly powerful but highly volatile background daemon running on an unpredictable, event-driven network. By mapping this eerie friendship to modern software paradigms, you will learn how to write clean code that handles unexpected inputs, gracefully handles panic states, and establishes custom handshakes to turn scary, high-latency exceptions into beautiful, seamless system integrations. Let's establish our core concepts first. In our architectural model, Birju is